Taking the PRI-4050-M model as an example. Rotate the switch 30 degrees counterclockwise from the off position. Air begins to be drawn into the vacuum table. Sprinkle water on the surface of the vacuum table. Try to spray water into every vacuum hole. Ensure that every vacuum hole is clean. However, do not water continuously. If the vacuum table draws in more than 5.2 liters of liquid per minute, a small amount of liquid will leak out of the automatic vacuum liquid separator. The sucked-in liquid will enter an automatic vacuum liquid separator. Generally, 4 liters of water is enough for a single watering. When no clean water flows from the vacuum hose, the internal water has been completely drained. If the dimensions of the vacuum table are greater than 400 mm 600 mm, it is best to turn on the switches one by one, and clean each area one by one. Pumping air from a single zone can achieve a higher flow rate. This will result in a better cleaning effect. The above is a demonstration of water cleaning operation.